Find or read reviews that people are talking about Haulvean smartwatch. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 2024 upgraded men's smartwatches. Featuring a 1.85-inch touchscreen, this smartwatch provides real-time data on SpO2 blood oxygen saturation, step count, heart rate, calorie burn, sleep tracking, distance, stress management, and women's menstrual cycle reminders. Our fitness tracker offers 24-hour continuous monitoring and tracks your daily activities and fitness goals. With a variety of customizable watch faces, personalize your smartwatch to suit your preferences. Voice control and Bluetooth calling. With Smart Voice Assistant integration, our smartwatch for Android phones allow you to effortlessly ask questions, control music, check the weather, set alarms, and more by simply speaking to your watch. Our smartwatches come equipped with built-in speakers and Bluetooth connectivity, enabling you to easily make and receive calls directly from your wrist, even when your phone is not within reach. Activity and fitness trackers. This activity trackers and smartwatches provides over 100 indoor and outdoor sports modes, with options like walking, running, cycling, basketball, and football. During your workout, the smartwatches for men will track your exercise duration and calories burned, helping you maintain a healthy balance between activity and rest. All-day health monitoring. The fitness tracker watch is equipped with advanced sensors that track your heart rate and stress levels in real time throughout the day. Watches for Men automatically monitors your sleep patterns and offers detailed analysis of your sleep quality, deep/light sleep. For optimal performance, ensure that you wear the heart rate smartwatch correctly, not too tight or too loose, allowing room for your skin to breathe. This not only ensures comfort but also ensures accurate sensor readings. Smart notification and versatile features. Our smartwatch that can call and text without reach your phone, ensures stay updated to SMS and app messages from text, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, Skype, and more. Our men's watches are equipped with a range of functions including women's health, medication reminders, weather forecast, music control, camera control, setting alarms, stopwatch, timer, breathing exercise, find phone function, and so on. Widely compatible. Our smartwatch for men is designed to seamlessly connect with both iOS and Android smartphones, compatible with iOS 9.0 or above, Android 8.0 or above. Compatible with a wide range of devices including but not limited to iPhone 6, iPhone 15, Samsung, Google Pixel, Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo and more. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.